Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to add in a default text. I'm going to type in the word waves, select the font, and I'm going to go to media. I'm going to add in a black background on top. If it's not enough, just freeze the frame here and delete the rest, and then you can make it into a background. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and go to blend mode and choose darken. And then you're going to want to start here, and then at kind of in the middle you want it to go super big, maybe at 2000%. But make sure you can't see the text anymore. So it goes from text to the video. And yeah, that is basically it really. If it's too slow, just move the keyframes closer to each other like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!